We're getting ready to send our calendar, so don't forget. Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful home here to show you. I don't know if you saw my previous videos on this builder that he was having a manager special. Well, this is video number 2. If you would like to see video number 1, I'm gonna put the link up here on the right corner. Or if you want, you could go ahead and check it out at the end of the video. I'm gonna be putting the video there, so you can just click it and look at it, okay? So let's continue with this home. I mean, this home is just gorgeous. It has 1,499 square feet on the air. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and the price of this home right now, it's $324,999. Okay, you have right now on the manager special, you got 2 to choose from. But after the manager special, you also have probably like 10 to select from at different prices. And also you would like to have on water, city water and sewer, they also are having some being built right now too. But the only ones that are on special for the manager special that you get your incentives of having the lower interest rate and your $15,000 for towards closing costs is this one, okay? And one more they got available in another area. Also, when you watch my first video, you'll be able to see the other floor plan and how many they also have available with the manager special. So don't miss that video at the end of the video, okay? So let's continue now. Let's go ahead and we're gonna walk inside and see this beautiful home. And I can tell you that the prices have lowered a lot from last year. So this is a pretty good buy because it's a win-win situation with a lower interest rate and the $15,000 closing costs. You can't go wrong with this home. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look inside and then I'll show you what it has. Okay, so you come in, you have your keypad entrance here. You got this beautiful long hallway with plank tiles. The tiles are all throughout the house except in the bedrooms, okay? Just to let you guys know. And let's go ahead now and take a look here at bedroom number 1. This is the one in front of the house. And as you can see, they don't have folding doors anymore. They just added a full door to the closets. A lot of people like that. Now over here, you have a closet. This will be your towel closet. And then this is your guest bathroom. You can see the nice bathtub with a shower and the tile almost all the way to the ceiling, the backsplash of the shower. Okay, this is bedroom number 2. Okay, let me move around so you can visualize the size. As you can see, here's the other closet. Okay, now let's go ahead and go down the hallway here and make a right. And let me show you the washer and dryer. This is behind these beautiful double doors. As you can see, the appliances come with the home. So, you know, all the appliances come with them and the blinds come with the home too. So this home is ready to move in. As I told you before, they have 2 at the discounted price. They have others in different areas. I think they go up like almost $8,000 higher than this one. So and they have also, I know those are more expensive than ones that are in water and sewer. But it all depends on the location and when are they going to be finished. Okay, they have homes finished right now, so you could actually buy them right now if you want. Here I'm showing you that the hurricane reinforced door with insulation in the door itself. I mean, it's really cool. It keeps the garage cool. It's incredible how much that insulation helps in the summer. Now let's go ahead and take a look at room number 3. And over here is your closet. Let me move around so you can see. Here's your closet. So this home, it has 1,499 square feet, almost 1,500 square feet, but it's well distributed because you have plenty of space here. Let me show you here. Look at this big area here where the kitchen is. Right here you have your AC system right in the middle of the house. And now let's take a look at this kitchen. Check it out. Very spacious. As you can see, there's a lot of space here to put a dining room, and over there your living room. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the kitchen. You see, you have stainless steel appliances. And remember, the appliances come with the home. So for $324,999, let's call it $325,000, you're getting a brand new home that is more efficient than an older home. It's all tile, 7 in the bedrooms. It has solar countertop, stainless steel appliances, washer and dryer, comes with the curtains, and you can't go wrong with this. And also with their lower interest rate that you can get. The interest rate, I can tell you that if you qualify with their lender, you could get FHA for 4.99 and a fixed rate for 5.50. Okay, so if you qualify with their own lenders, you could actually get that rate interest rate. So, and also, like I said before, you get your $15,000 closing costs. So if you're ready to move, maybe now is the time. And remember, you could go look at the video number 1 that I'm going to be having at the end of this video, so you can see the Cali floor plan. That is a bigger home. It's also a 4 bedrooms, 2 bath home. Okay, this is your master bedroom. This is your master closet. See, even though it has 1,500 square feet, it has a really nice closet here. Turn around. You have your shower. It's your master. So, tell me what you think about this home, and remember to click on the video that's going to come up right now on the screen so you can see the Cali floor plan that is also included with this incentives. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, if you're new to the channel, you would like to see more homes and more things about the Cape Coral area, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And I also want to let you guys know that my wife and I have been selling real estate here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers for over 20 years. And if you have a question on this home or any home out there, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.